What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing Group Break 172 three-spot giveaway. We got a box of Series 2. So I'm just going to go live. It's the only timestamp we're going to do. Just it's a free giveaway. So that's why. 501. 501. Now it's 502. And we got Rubel. Rubel, because he took 7 spots. Patrick Brace. Stas, Kyle, Anders, and Jace. Guys, we're going 3 times. Person on top after 3 wins the Series 2 box. Well, soon to be congrats. Good luck. 1, 2. Patrick on top after 2. And 3. Wow. Patrick, congrats, man. You sweeped it. Honestly say I've never seen that before with 7 guys. I'm not even doing a timestamp. I don't know. I guess we'll do one more. We'll go done. 502. 502. 3 times. Patrick, congrats.